failed loading chunk error 64163 in Discord for the specified methods. 1. Clear temporary files. Corrupted temporary files can cause issues. 1. Press WinR to open the run dialog. 2. Type temp and press enter. 3. Select all files in the folder, Control-A. 4. Press Shift-Delete to permanently delete them. Skip files that can't be deleted. 5. Restart your computer and check Discord. 2. Test Discord in web version. This helps determine if the issue is app-specific. 1. Open your preferred browser, e.g. Chrome, Firefox, Edge. 2. Navigate to Discord web, https:/discord.com/app. 3. Log in with your credentials. 4. Check if the issue persists. If it works in the web version, the problem likely lies within the app. 3. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Ensure Discord isn't being blocked by your security software. 1. Windows Defender Firewall. Press WinR, type control firewall.cpl, and press enter. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Look for Discord in the list and ensure both private and public boxes are checked. If Discord isn't listed, click Allow another app, browse, locate Discord, and add it. 2. Antivirus software. Open your antivirus software settings. Add Discord to the exclusion exception list to prevent interference. 3. Restart Discord and test again. 4. Disable hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration can sometimes cause rendering issues. 1. Open Discord. 2. Click the gear icon, User Settings, in the bottom left. 3. Navigate to Advanced Settings. 4. Toggle hardware acceleration off. 5. Restart Discord and check if the issue is resolved. If you need assistance with another method, let me know.